In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $27.10 in just one day using a brand new money-making website that will pay you a $1.10 for every single ad that you watch for absolutely free. If you just watch 10 ads, you will earn $11, and if you watch 20 ads, you will earn about $22, and the list goes on and on. So, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is come to this website right here that we're gonna be using to make money online by watching ads. Now, I'm going to reveal the name of this site later in the video, just to make sure that you watch the full tutorial before you go to the website. So, pay attention, and let me show you how it works first. Now, as you can see here, it says, earn free PayPal cash and gift cards, including Amazon gift cards, just by completing offers, surveys, and tasks. Now, there's different types of offers and tasks that you can complete and earn money, but our focus for this video is going to be watching ads, and that's where you can make the most money. And by the way, you can also use this on both your computer or smartphone. Now, what you want to do here first is creating your free account. The sign-up process is very simple. You can either sign up using your Google account, or Facebook, or PayPal, or signing up with your email right here. And by the way, PayPal is the best way to receive your money from this platform. If you don't have an account yet, just head over to paypal.com and you can then also sign up for PayPal for completely free. It's available for almost all countries. Now, to sign up with your email here, just click on Sign in with Magic Link and then paste your email right here and click on Send me a magic link. Once you verify your email and log into your account, it's going to take you to a page that look like this. As you can see here, I already have over 500,000 points on an account that I just created recently. And for every task you complete or ad that you watch, you will earn points that you can then turn to real-life money. The great part is that the minimum to withdraw is only $1, which you can easily make in just few minutes. And this right here is my last PayPal payment from them that I just received in December 10. This is of course not that much money, but just to show you that it's actually legit. I also want you to take advantage of this platform right now because there's not many people that know about it yet, and there is not much competition. Now, let me show you how you can actually make money on here. So, we have offers and tasks, which is this page right here. Then, we have explore, and this is where you can make money by watching ads, and you can also make money with surveys and watching videos right here. Now, let's first talk about offers. As you can see here, it says, earn points by completing offers and tasks, and that includes downloading games and apps and signing up for websites and free trials and stuff like that. They also have offers that pay very well compared to other websites. All you have to do is just click on one of them here. Let's go for this one for example, and it's going to show you what you have to do. So, this seems like an app for Android devices, and what you're gonna have to do here is just open the app and set a wallpaper like it says, and then you will get rewarded after 24 hours, but only for new users, which means this must be the first time you use the app. Just click here and you can then download it from Play Store. And same thing goes for all these other offers here. Just click on any of them, and it's going to show you exactly what you have to do. Now, the great thing is that you also have this feature right here, where you can choose to show offers based on what device you are using. So, if I click on Android for example, it's going to show me offers for Android, and if you have iOS, just click on iOS. But as for myself, I'm using a computer right now, so I can just select web option and start completing offers to earn money. For example, we can earn 90,000 points with this offer here. We have to register and purchase a monthly subscription, but don't worry, for most of these other offers, you don't have to purchase anything. And for example, this one is just a survey you have to complete, and you will earn about 3,700 points. This right here is also a game that you can play in your browser, and you will earn 15,000 points. Like I said, you just click on any of them, and it's going to show you the instructions you have to follow. For example, this one says, you have to register and activate your account and collect 300 bananas by playing games, and you will get the points instantly. But before we continue, let me real quick introduce today's video sponsor, Porkbun. Porkbun is a domain name registrar that offers more than 500 domain extensions, covering everything from .com and .xyz to .dev and .pro, etc. And currently, Pork Bun is promoting its .bio domain name for less than $3. So, if you're a content creator, a designer, influencer, or any types of entrepreneurs, and you're using link in bio tools, such as Linktree and Linkin.bio, etc., now you don't have to use that long URL anymore. Using your .bio domain for your link in bio page lets you manage all your links in one spot. With a custom domain name that tells people exactly who you are, direct people to view your work with just one click. You can always click the link in the description and make sure to use the code BIOPIT to get your own .bio domain name for less than $3 at Pork Bun, or scan the QR code on the screen right now and get the $3 off. So, after you create your account, it's gonna then take you to this page, and you can search here for the domain name you want to use and see if it's available. For example, let me just search for something random. Let's say theprodigy.bio and hit search. And now, as you can see here, this domain name is available for only $2.55 per year. If I want to buy it, I can just click this icon. Now, the best part is that you can choose a yearly plan for up to 10 years, and for every domain you purchase, you also get these other features here for completely free: voice privacy, SSL certificate, site builder trial, and so on. I will also leave the coupon code that you can apply here in the description. So, you can just click on continue to billing, and you can then choose your preferred payment method. Click the link on the description right now to get your .bio domain name for less than $3. Now, before I reveal the name of this platform, let me go to explore and show you one more step, which is how to make money by watching ads. And that's the most important part of the video. It's also the easiest because you don't have to download something or anything like that. You just watch ads, and that's it. By the way, make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel. Now, once you come to explore right here, you can see a lot of companies that we can use to make money online by watching ads. We have AdGate Media, for example, AdSense Media, Torox, Review, and the list goes on and on, as you can see. Now, of course you can try any of them, but there is two of them that actually pay really well. The first one is Loadably. Let me just click on it to show you a real-life example of how it works. It's going to take you to a page like this. As you can see, these companies like Loadably have hundreds of ads that you can watch and get paid for. For this ad, for example, you will earn about 6,000 points. This one, over 3,000 points, 2,000 points here, and the list goes on and on. Now, what you want to do basically is just click on one of them. Let's go for this one, for example, and it's going to take you to an ad that look like this. You just have to watch the ad for about 20 or 30 seconds and hit skip, and you will get rewarded. Very simple and straightforward. You can do the same for all these other ads. That's how it works basically. This is perfect for beginners. You don't need to have any skills. Now, the second option that I also recommend using, other than Loadably, is AdSense Media right here. Let's just click on it, and it's going to take us to this page. You can also find here different offers and ads that you can make money from. There is only 5 right now, but they get updated every 24 hours. And the name of this platform is Earnably. You can just go to Google and search for Earnably, and then click on the first link right here, or you can just go to earnably.com. But we are not done yet. There is still some tricks I will show you at the end that I personally use on the website. And by the way, you can also make money by taking surveys here or watching videos. So, if I go to surveys, you can see here that I have currently 3 surveys that I can take. Some of them do take more time. This one, for example, will take 15 minutes, but we also have 5 minutes and 1 minute here. They are very easy to complete. If I click on one of them, you can see the type of questions they ask. It says, "What is your gender?" So, just select your gender and click continue. Then, the second question says, "What's your birthday?" I think you get the point now. You just answer very simple and basic questions. We also have here this option of videos. Currently it says, no videos are available. But if you also see no videos available, you can just come back and check later. On average, you will have 3 to 4 videos per day that you can watch. Now, just remember that the more videos and ads you watch and the more offers you complete, the more money you will be able to make. And another good way that you can also use to double or even triple your earnings is inviting other people to the website. As you can see, it says, share your unique referral with your friends to earn 10% of their earnings. Plus, you will get 30,000 points whenever someone you refer earns their first 30,000 points, which is pretty cool. Just click on copy to copy your link and you can then start sharing your link. The best way to do that is to share your link on Facebook groups that are related to make money online. I already talked about this method last week in my other video. And finally, you can redeem your points for cash on here, but make sure you also read the description here, as well as the terms and conditions. It's very important. Now, click this video for another new method to make money online. And if you got this far of the video, let me know what country you're watching this video from.